Shubor naga Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Director General of Police ka Jilla Dr. L.R. Bishnoi ula Batai Shapang ka Jingma na Drok kabalapan iya ka Jingya Per tangha kini ki Snem Arhajar Arpuar bat Arhajar Arpulai Lyngba ka Jingyo Kurup Drok ka Jingkem mi ki badan kti ban penyat yo bat ka Jingkela ka Meghalaya kum ka Ketem Drok amsho ko menshwa ba ka tang ka lentiyad UDGP ula penpau ya kini haba ajin kran ha ususotam auditorium ha ka singi baar ha ka jinga kan duk lang jong ki nong ket kam snong ki nong elam niam ha ka bala banjur ya ka jing don bentalang ki snong ki thau bat ki we ki kan huan ban ya khun persha u drok Lyngba ka drugs reduction elimination action mission ki jing ya pher tang ha pedang Snem ki labun kat kom ka jing batai UDGP namar ba menshwa ka Meghalaya ka rang dei tang kom ka lenti yat u drok handai mentapan ka de ka ktem u niu jingdi ba Shyrkhei tam bat min sniu ya ka emlang ka salang bat menshwa ki don tang ki shanrang ki bakerni handai menta ki kan theiru ki buon bha u Dr. Bishnoi lo ong ba u drok lanang jelai bat ki kamru naru ki lanang kiu nadu ki jingya ka ja haying hasem bat yamai shikurim ulo ong ru ba ban ka sngi kom balai teli ni sautuli ki jingja takhu kali hasurong ki ja na ka daw ki jingdon ki badi drok bat ki we ki jingdi basni ki pen bu ai haba penya pher hakini ki Snem ulo ong ki don chispa kan riu tadi ki jing penrung ha ka jing mudui namar u drok ha Snem Arhajar Arpuar kabala kiu shaka chispa prapulai teli hadu menta o Arhajar Arpulai kiba syakem kilong arspa lai pusau ngut kinong khayi ha Snem Arhajar Arpuar handai hadu menta Arhajar Arpulai ki don lai spa sa pundai ngut u heroin bayo Kurup ha Snem Arhajar Arpuar ulong nyo point san kilo handai hadu menta layo Kurup khat riu point nyo kilo u drok heroin u bayat yo bha baru bala ban pun ngop ye ki brio haba batai shu UDGP ulo ong bau kinja bayo Kurup ulong khat saus pa kilo ha Snem Arhajar Arpuar handai hadu mentau Arhajar Arpulai layo Kurup sau hajar kilo kidawai kuli yaba tablet layo Kurup khat lai hajar ha u Arhajar Arpuar handai hadu menta layo Kurup handai puwei hajar nalor kiwe ki kinja dawai kum ka kaf serang layo Kurup ru ya ki mobile phone chispa prapinyo teli ha u Arhajar Arpuar bat hadu mentau Arhajar Arpulai layo Kurup mobile phone palat saus pa teli nalor ki kali riu punyo teli ha Snem Arhajar Arpuar bat chispa san pun riu teli ki kali hadu menta Arhajar Arpulai layo ban Kurup UDGP ulo ong ru bahau Snem Arhajar Arpuar ki thanat ki bahap benya khun yu drok ki don arpu prateli handai menta ki long sapu arteli gitu ki bala yai million biang ban khayi drok ki bala pengat hapo ka PIT NDPS ki don khat san ngut ha Snem Arhajar Arpuar bat mentau Snem Arhajar Arpulai ki bamlien ban le biang ki don lai phongut ka pisa bayo Kurup ha Snem Arhajar Arpuar ka long lai punyo lak tingkah handai hadu mentau Arhajar Arpulai layo Kurup pisa sau punyo lak tingkah kum tau DGP upan yang jing trai lang jong baro kham tam hasnong thau ban rat ding khong yu drok bot ban penlong ya ka jala Meghalaya kum ka jala ka balat no niu jingdi ubas niu tam UDGP ulai tho bahaba khen lang ya ka dor jong drok bat ki we ki jingdi bas niu bela yo Kurup ka shong dor south pa handriu puwei klor tingkah
earlier problem was confined to urban area. Now it has percolated down to the rural and countryside area. The fifth reason is the main abusers were the male or the boys, but now many young girls, they started falling prey to the drug abuse. And once the drug abuse, we are in the grip of drug abuse, it can lead to the subsequent other crimes like domestic violence and traffic accident. You will be surprised to know that in Shillong alone, daily 4 to 5 cases of domestic violence are reported in the various police stations of Shillong. Daily 3 to 4 traffic accidents are happening in the Shillong town alone, and when we analyze the regions, it leads to either drink or the drugs. So these are the reasons why the Meghalaya is a sensitive state from the drug menace point of view. And when I say with facts and figures, if we compare the last 2 years figure only, 2020-22 in Meghalaya, 116 cases were registered. Only NDPS Act cases. In 2023, we have registered 183 cases. That shows that there is an upward trend. In 2022, we have arrested 134 number of drug traffickers. And this arrest figure till today, 4th December in 2023, the figure has gone into 349. So you can say that drug trafficking is also on the rise. Then last year, 2022, we have seized the heroin 7.5 kg, and 2023 till today, we have seized 16.7 kg heroin. And 1 kg heroin has capacity to make 2,000 youths as a drug addict, because the dose required is a very, very small quantity. Those we have heard and we have seen the testimony of the various abusers earlier. They will testify that a small amount of drug is required, and if any youth takes 3 doses of the heroin, 150 milligram, 150 milligram, 150 milligram, then his body will become totally dependent on the drugs, and it's very, very difficult to come out of this vicious cycle. Cannabis or marijuana, last year we have seized 1,400 kg, but this year our seizure has gone to 4,000 kg. The yaba tablets, very, very dangerous tablets, last year we have seized 13,000 tablets. This year our yaba tablet seizure has gone up to 61,000. Last year the other psychotropic tablets we have seized 17,000. This year our figure has gone to 44,000. The cup syrup, last year seizure was 27,000 bottle. This year we have seized 1.5 lakh bottle of cup syrup. Last year we have seized cash from the drug trafficker, 37 lakh. This year our figure has gone up to 47 lakh. The mobile phone from the drug trafficker, last year we have seized only 187. This year we have seized 401 mobiles from the drug trafficker. Why I am quoting this figure, you can very well imagine the well-oiled, the expensive network of the drug trafficker. Last year we have seized 67 number of vehicles. Our vehicle this year till today is 156, and most of these are the light motor vehicle, LMV, 4-wheelers. Then the last year we have, the 28 police stations of Meghalaya were involved in the drug trafficking cases. Meghalaya has 80 number of police stations. Last year, the cases were registered covering the jurisdiction of 28 police stations only, and this year it has gone up to 42 police stations. It means the problem is spreading from the urban to the rural area, and this is a cause of concern for all of us. And I am thankful to the Chief Minister for his consistent guidance and unflinching support to the Meghalaya Police. And you will be happy to know in the month of April, he has sanctioned 1.5 crore rupees machinery for forensic science laboratory. Earlier, we used to send our samples for testing to outside the state, like Mizoram, Meghalaya, Assam, Chandigarh, and Ahmedabad. Now, our forensic science laboratory is very well equipped to test all kinds of exhibits covering the narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. After these problems, when the presentation was done before Honorable Chief Minister, he immediately approved the notifications of the advisory boards to take care of the PIT NDPS Act cases, because last year we have arrested only 15 number of repeated offenders. This year figure has gone up to 30. So why I am quoting these statistics? So that you can very well imagine the gravity of the drug menace problem in the state of Meghalaya. So, what are the regions? What are the possible regions? One region is the domestic ambience. When the atmosphere in the family is not proper, then children will remain under stress, and sometimes because of anxiety and stress, they will resort to drugs. That is one reason. Secondly, ever increasing expectations of the parents to perform excellent in the academic, and then academic pressure also causing a lot of stress in the minds of youngsters, and sometimes they resort to drugs. We have seized amphetamine tablets from very young age drug traffickers, And sometimes we have noted that the children of 12 to 13 years of age, they are also indulging in drug trafficking, and also during the course of the drug trafficking, they themselves become the drug traffickers. Everybody is concerned about this problem. We have to accept one thing, that the problem is real, because in 2019, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, they have conducted nationwide survey covering all the states and the union territories of India. And in 2019, at that time, they found that there were 7.5 crore drug abusers in India. It is a huge figure. Now it may be touching 10 crores. And they have quoted the figure of Meghalaya as 2.5 lakh drug abusers in the state. And Honorable Chief Minister is very much concerned about this problem. That is why he came to attend today's program 4 minutes ahead of the scheduled times. And he is very, very punctual. I have noticed one thing, wherever he attends the program, sometimes he reports before us. So that shows cause of the concern. Now many questions come to your mind, why we are sitting here, why we are attending this program, when we are not drug abuser, why we are concerned about this. So please understand that Meghalaya state is because of lack of ignorance, because of lack of awareness. So we have been organizing awareness programs covering the school, college and university. In this year we have organized nearly 1,800 drug awareness programs throughout the length and breadth of the state of Meghalaya. Other regions like greed of money. Why the youth are indulging in drug trafficking? They want to become overnight rich and earn money because it's a very, very lucrative business. It generates huge amount of money. Any trafficker clearing the consignment from Shyrkhei to Shillong, the driver will get 50,000 rupees, and if that consignment is destined to Guwahati, from Shillong to Guwahati, he will get another 50,000 rupees. So that is the money involved in it. And heroin, the illegal market, the cost of heroin is between 8 to 10 crores. Although here locally that much cost is not there among the drug trafficker cycle, but international market, 80,000 rupees per gram, that is the heroin cost. And recently we have arrested 1 or 2 youngsters from the Joys. They were the student of Delhi University. You will be surprised, very young students, and they were carrying the consignment of the cannabis for their colleagues, for their friends in Delhi, because here the cannabis rate is only 5,000 rupees per kg. In Delhi, it will fetch the price of 30,000 rupees per kg. So that is the greed. These are the examples I am giving from the arrest of these traffickers. But the earlier drug abusers has given testimony that we need to be very, very sympathetic towards the drug addicts. Let me clarify that Meghalaya police is a very, very humble. It never misbehaves with any drug addicts. We always take the sympathetic and empathetic approach towards the drug addict. You cannot give a single example where the cops have beaten the drug addicts. But we are very tough with drug trafficker, criminals. We are very tough with them, but not with the drug addicts, because they are our own, just like our own children. We always adopt sympathetic approach toward them. Sometimes we indulge in counseling also by inviting their parents to the police station, so that the parents can understand the children's behavior and other things. You know, I have noted that the children, I'm speaking from the heart, the youngsters, they resort to drug and misbehave with their parents, indulge in domestic violence. So these things we don't want to see. We want to see the youth very happy, very smiling and very healthy. I don't want to prolong this speech further because Honorable Chief Minister and other speakers are there. With these